now it's time to play a game. So are you excited or are you ready? What it is, tell me.
Yes. Nervous.
Alright, okay, I'll make you feel comfortable, relax. Alright, and the game starts now. I'll tell you the rules, how it goes. Blue cup ha te oiro pa zai. So you need to be very quick. You'll have only 2 minutes with you. And each cup has one letter written on the paper, okay? So to me 6 letter word form korpache. Are you all ready for it?
Yes.
2 minutes, huh?
Okay.
We'll do it fast.
Don't.
Okay, this is for you. And this is for you.
Okay.
And your time starts now, slowly, one by one. Okay. Sonali, पहिली game खेळलेली.
ना. I'm stuck.
Okay, take it easy, slowly, slowly. Okay, she got it. You?
Yeah, here.
Okay.
Okay.
Who got it first? Sonali?
Yes.
Alright, let me check. Ulta fulta bagori zara tu magi. Sonali, Sim, run. Alright, okay, well played. Sports sa bari hushar aadmi no. Alright, well played, yeah.